Great news, friends. The mythical Pokemon Meloetta is back. This is Meloetta's second form. This is what she looks like after she sings the signature move known as, let's see, alright, it doesn't really say that in the book, but her beautiful singing gives her the ability to change form at will. It says here that Meloetta has two forms. There's Aria and Pirouette. This is Meloetta's Pirouette form. But I prefer to call it Meloetta 4-2. Cut! Take two. I prefer to call this form Meloetta. I prefer to call this form Meloetta Form 2. That's what I like to call her. As you have noticed, her hair is coiled up. Look like a... To be honest, I'm not sure. Here is Meloetta's arm. Glad that's done. Now all we have to do is draw the legs. I'm proud I got to draw her Pirouette form, otherwise known as Form 2. Makes her look like an angel. Amazing, isn't it? And wow, she looks styling. Consider this my special treats to you, fighters. That's all for now, guys. That's how you draw Meloetta Form 2. Stegosaurus, see you later.